I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 7 Eco-Friendly, Chapter number 51 Conserve Natural Resources. Okay, more to know. Air, water, soil, forest, animal and minerals are natural resources. Forests provide us with many things and are home to many species of animals. Water is also a precious resource besides drinking, washing and bathing. This resource is also used to generate electricity. So, the electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. We depend on animals for milk, eggs and manure. Many animals are killed for their teeth, horns and furs. This has led to the extinction of a large number of animal species. A fertile soil is needed for the proper growth of plants. Sometimes the top layer of the soil is blown or washed away by the action of water of wind. So this is called soil erosion. Mineral deposits are found below the surface of the earth. They are limited. We must use them wisely. Okay, so check your awareness. Take the correct answer. Number 1. This term means the wise and careful use of resources conservation. This is one of the methods to conserve water resources. The option is A, rainwater harvesting. Number 3, which of the following species has become endangered? Number 3 is A, Royal Bengal tiger. Number 4, metals obtained from minerals are used to make watch utensils. Option is C. Number 5, oil is a dash resources. This is B, non-renewable. एक बार ये खर्च हो जाए फिर इसका यूज दोबारा नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो एवरीवन, दिस चैप्टर इज इन हियर. नाउ वी विल लेट्स बिगिन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 52. Save the environment. Today the environment is the main concern of everybody. Okay, so once Mahatma Gandhi said the earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. So we should be aware of our role in preserving the environment. So the names of certain objects are given in the box below. Write them in the correct column or in the table. So let me start. Organic waste, vegetable peel, banana peel, organic waste. वेजिटेबल यानी कि सब्जी के छिलके. वेजिटेबल पील एंड बनाना पील, बनाना के छिलके. ओके, पेपर रिलेटेड ये है ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर, टोन पेपर, नोटबुक. ओल्ड न्यूज पेपर, टोन पेपर, शॉर्ट में लिख देते हैं, एंड ओल्ड न्यूज टोन पेपर, नोटबुक. प्लास्टिक रिलेटेड ये है ब्रोकन बोतल, प्लास्टिक बैग, broken bottle, broken bottle, and next one plastic bag, broken toy, plastic bag or broken toy. Okay, next one metal related, juice can है ना, यूटेंसिल्स. ये दो चीजें हैं, जूस कैन, यूटेंसिल्स. अदर्स, अब अदर्स में क्या क्या चीजें आएंगी? डस्ट, स्टोन, शूज, टेल फूड, डस्ट. ओके, torn shoes and Stale food. Stall food. Okay. How sensitive are you towards environment? Write yes or no for the following question. So okay, do you buy cars made for ये आपको so these both questions do it yourself in your class. Okay, तो ये हर बच्चे को हर स्टूडेंट्स को सेल्फ करने हैं कि उनका क्या वो है इस बारे में. Okay everyone, so the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 53. Stop pollution. Pollution is a general term used to describe the harm caused to air, water and soil by human activity. It is one of the most pressing concerns today. A. What can we do to lessen pollution? Tick, write the correct sentences. Okay. So, burning fossil, number 1. Burning fossil fuels like coal out in the open? No. Cross. Celebrating a cracker-free Diwali? Yes. Using clean fuels like compressed natural gas, CBG in vehicles? Yes. Number 4. Throwing plastic bags into water bodies? No. Wrong. 5. Dumping waste in the open? No. Number 6. Planting more tree? Yes. 7. Using chemical fertilizer in the field? No. And 8. Listening to music at a low volume? Yes. Next one. B. In the word search, give below and words related to pollution. Okay. Pollutants. Okay. Number 1. Pollutants. And the second is oil spill. Number 2 is this. And next one. Number 3. Smoke. Smoke allergy. Okay, so only these. Next, C. Unscramble the words in capitals to make correct sentences. 1. This is fresh and clean air. This is fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. 2. Fuels. F-U-E-L-S. Fuels. Number 3. It is cholera. C-H-O-L-E-R-A. Adopt Granicio farming, organic. What is asthma and why is pollution a cause for it? So, asthma means the narrowing of air passages in the lungs. Some people are born with it and some acquired in metropolitan cities or crowded areas. So, it is the air that we breathe which may cause asthma attacks. So, since 1976, childhood asthma has increased by 200%. Okay, so which of the following do you think are pollutants that may cause and trigger asthma attacks? Tick, write the correct option. So let me start. Number 1, bathing soaps in the toilets. D. No. Factories in residential areas. Yes. Watercolor used in schools at home. No. Exhaust fumes from cars. Yes. Ceiling fans. No. All and ill-maintained air conditioners and refrigerators. Yes. Here is how you can take action to reduce pollution. 1. Begin by making your home healthier. Make an inspection of your home with an adult. Okay. So look around for all kinds of bottles, containers. Ensure that the lids are closed tightly. Do not mix the bottles containers used in different household areas. Read the labels and directions on the bottles containers. Find out if all the waste of the house are disposed of properly. So checklist, put a tick right or a cross wrong. So found materials that we were throwing away but they could be recycled. Yes. Number 2. I made my family aware of recycling and reusing. Yes. Use CFL bulbs were thrown in the kitchen bin. No. The refrigerator door was not being closed tightly. No. ये भी गलत. Tightly close करना चाहिए. Okay. So here are some of the solutions to reduce pollution. At home or in office, use cloth napkins instead of paper ones. Number 2. Select different colored cloth napkins for yourself, different members of your family for each day of the week. Use these cloth napkins, wash them and reuse. Make a chart. Do it yourself. आपको एक chart बनाना है. Activities that pollute air. Your teacher will display the 5 best charts in classes. So make your chart. So do it yourself. Okay, so children, the chapter is in here. Now we will begin. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 54. Environmental moves. Environmental and ecological movements are among the important examples of collective action of various social groups. So look at the table given below, read the facts and write the name of the important environmental movements organized in India. Name of the movement. First one is Kerala's leader Sahitya Parishad and local people to save the valley. It is the silent movement. हम केवल इसका नाम लिख देते हैं, ठीक है? The silent movement. M. Number 2. This is Chipko movement. Okay. Number 3. Bishnoi movement. Next one is Epico movement. Number 5 is Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Okay. And the number 6 is Jangal Bachao Andolan. Okay, everyone. The all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed this chapter. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.